Ever wondered how modern marketers handle high volume video ads without massive production teams? Today, we are looking at a tool designed to streamline the entire advertising workflow. We will explore how its features function in the real world, focusing purely on the technology and mechanics. Okay, folks, so we are here on Creatify.ai. I'm super excited to be bringing you this video. So this AI software is absolutely incredible. Just have a look at some of these videos, which are all AI generated, but let's just be real. Let me know in the comments. These look legit 100%. I can't even tell that they are actually AI. So the basic website is basically showing you all the different bits and bobs and information of what Creatify.ai can do. Love to see that they've got that compliance and trust across the industry, an industry standard that you really hope that most AI softwares actually need. So it's all about creating AI ads that actually win, that actually convert, and that are actually able to scale your business in a positive manner to make you that money straight. We are in our actual dashboard here, logged into our paid account, and we're going to be showing you the features here. So they've got everything: asset generators, video editors, ways to actually track your competitors. You can actually see live ads here that have actually been working already as well. So you can get that direct inspiration for, again, let me repeat this, stuff that actually works already. So it's not always about reinventing the wheel. You can come up with the same working product that clients are already buying on the market and just brand it yourself. It's really about the branding and how good the branding is, how well it stands out to your actual clientele. So whether it's video, whether it's image or audio, you can do it. So we've got this set to text to video right now. Of course, you can do image to video and video to video as well. You've got an AI enhanced feature too. And again, this is going to be our assets generator here. So as you can see, you can swap that around too. You can go image to image, text to image if we are just doing the image. And as I mentioned, 11 Labs Music V2, text to speech or text to music is the audio capabilities of Creatify just here. You've also got the avatar video, which is really cool as well. A little feature that I have played around with a bit before. So you can select an avatar from the library and you can also drag and drop your own. So some really good ones here. Again, let me know in the comments, what do you think? To me, these kind of look like real people. This is on the pro version, of course, so there is free version capabilities too, but you will need to go pro to use some of the better ones. So we're going to upload this avatar right now. We're going to be showing you something basic that we can create. It's the voice of Austin. The music and the voice audio is going to be 11 Labs V3. We're going to put our script in here, meet AirPods X. So they're talking about some actual like little AirPod speaker type things here. So let's get AI to generate the script for us here. We're going to pop that in there and we're going to make it, I think we'll do it for a promotional. Yep. And let's go ahead and generate and see what we can come up with here. We're going to make the AI script writer. Yep. That's all good. Okay. You can change the actual composition of the shot. That's going to be for short form video. 9:16, we're on to 1:16 to 9. It's going to be for long form. We'll keep it at 9:16. And let's go ahead and generate the video.
Imagine hearing every layer of your favorite.
Make that a bit bigger so you can see it.
Takes you. AirPods X wireless earbuds blend immersive sound with quiet clarity, thanks to advanced noise cancellation and precision call technology. Their lightweight design brings you lasting comfort from sunrise to sunset, perfect for work, study, or movement. Stay focused, stylish, and effortlessly in tune with your world. Start now. Choose AirPods X and experience the joy of sound crafted for every moment.
I mean, that's absolutely bang on, but let me know, honestly, what you think in the comments about that. You can go ahead, download it, you can edit it, you can do more with it, save it as a template, duplicate it, move it into the folder, delete it if you're not happy, share it on the socials, IG, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, or X. You can do all of that. But I reckon that was pretty damn impressive in my opinion. You can also share your actual product link here to generate a video. So you can analyze the URL, you can choose from an existing product. So here, so this is just to give you an example with the Apple AirPods here, the AirPods Pro 3 for Apple, that's going to be the actual product name. Again, this is just to give you an example here. It gives us the entirety of the product description, gives us all of the assets automatically. So look at this, it's already just automatically pulling all of those assets. Drag, drop, click, generate, wait a little bit. When I say a little bit, maybe just a few seconds, modify things slightly. You are just able to be fully creative without having to stress too much about the nitty-gritty of the back end. So let's just go ahead and let that generate. So we're going to choose that script. So we've got the different kinds of scripts here, before, after if we want. We've got feature showcase, all different kinds depending on what kind of ad we do want to generate. And you can have multiple kinds of different ads because it might pull in different kinds of clients. A lot of people probably are going to want to see a before and after. You can generate more scripts if you're not happy. Go ahead and actually choose the avatar. So we can do like a smart AI match feature as well, which is actually going to match the script and the product style to the suitable avatar. I think that's an absolutely fantastic feature that I have not seen on any other AI software in my experience before. So this is Samantha. She's just in her living room. So it could be like a pretty good fit, potentially. Samantha, maybe we should use her. So we can select Samantha. Yep, I think we're happy with that. And perhaps Stefan, just for the male version. So we're sort of looking at the two different genders there, giving an option for both. I think that's going to be quite powerful. Just two casual people, handsome looking, pretty looking. What more do you need? 13 videos are generated. Select one or more to actually render. And look at that, just like that, bang, it's given us the videos. So let's actually just have a look through here and have a see, have a check. And I like how they're not too serious, just like the casual nature. Stefan's there at Starbucks. And the lady there is just in her like kitchen, in her bedroom, super chill, right? You can render 4 videos if we're happy with those. It shows you how many credits you need, and bang, these are all rendering in real time. And you know, considering the workload that has to go into these, they're actually rendering, and they do render very quickly, which is very impressive.
Your AirPods Pro 2 just became obsolete. AirPods Pro 3 cancel 2 times more noise and track your heart rate now. Seriously, your workout just got a built-in coach. These track heart rate and calories burned in real time with Apple's smallest sensor ever. Toss in IP57, water resistance, 8 hours.
That's good, water resistance.
And a spatial audio setup that makes every song feel live. One upgrade, 0 compromises. Grab AirPods Pro 3 and leave.
This is actually making me want to buy these AirPods because I think I got the Gen 2. I mean, that's a really good ad because that actually had me psyched in. I actually forgot I was even doing a review.
AirPods Pro 3 cancel 2 times more noise and track your heart rate down. Seriously, your workout just got a built-in coach. These track heart rate and calories burned in real time.
That's crazy, tracking calories? This is actually sucking me in, and I'm the one making the ad.
8 hours of ANC on one charge, and a spatial audio setup that makes every song feel live. One upgrade, 0 compromises. Grab AirPods Pro 3 and leave the old ones behind.
I mean, I've got to say, I'm convinced. I don't know about y'all, but let us know in the comments what you think. That is really impressive. So in the agent section as well, you've got the AI agent where you can go creative mode, performance mode. You've got the chat there that you can set up. You can ask it anything about your ads here. So it's got everything to help you. I mean, geez, AI has really come a long way, hasn't it? Let's just have a look. Okay, so we can put a prompt in there. We can put our image in there about the watch. Yep. Okay, so it's going to refine everything. Okay, look at this. It gives us background music automatically. It gives us the hook, the visual. It breaks down everything about the ad first, gives us the images that are going to be used. Yeah, looks good. Casual. Nice, and here's the video.
Most watches tell time. This one commands it. Chronos Elite, engineered for those who own every moment.
Nice, that's a really good ad. Again, that was just all done through the thought process of the AI agent. So again, let me know in the comments, what do you think? I think that's super impressive in my opinion. Really good, really stylish. The sound was on point because I wasn't even thinking, oh, what's that like music or sound? Like it just kind of made sense to me. Okay, so now we want to build like an overall campaign like for the AirPods here. So again, the agent is doing the breakdown here. It's doing everything for us, getting everything set up. All the different sections here, automations you've got as well. You can run different automations for reporting. You can work it off just a basic template. You can have daily report, morning pacing checks. Everything's here. What's really cool is you can actually connect your other social media accounts too, whether it's TikTok, Google, Meta, OpenAI, everything you can connect and customize. You've got this competitor tracker, which is really good. So you can actually have a look at the ads of your competitors and you can actually use that as inspiration to help create your own ads. Nothing wrong with it. We're not doing copyright. We're just seeing what is working with the competitors and just trying to use it as some potential inspiration to create our own and just make it even better so that we end up getting more sales for our business. See here, it's got all the different top selling materials, different items, everything, all the stuff. It goes into real thorough detail about the different brands and just kind of shows exactly what's working. So I love that. The avatar library as well, over 1,500 plus different avatars. That is absolutely astonishing. So you've got everything there. I mean, Creatify.ai, AI ads that win. I mean, I can't see why they don't win. I mean, this is just banging. You've got the new agent, you've got AI models, whether it's a clone asset generator, the media buyer, the AI ad library, the ad launcher, that competitor tracker that we showed you. You can book a demo in, go ahead, create your own first ad. Don't even have to put in the credit card to get started. Check out the link in the description to explore Creatify.ai's platform and test out their automated AI ad creation tools for your next campaign. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, subscribe, comment, and importantly, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Have a great day.